What? Why is that one different? Oh, because it got a shorter top.
Actually, inside more big can hold a bird.
You getting on my nerves with this big.
No, no. You want something to fit on your head, please, isn't it?
Oh,
That's
that
what
yeah.
looks like
It does, but you know what?
That's why I show you.
If you give me just a tiny bit more
You like
room,
this one?
let me see
You can
it.
shape it. If you don't like the shape, you can pull it out.
No, I do like the shape.
Okay, you can
Yeah.
shape.
No, this one's not more as comfortable.
That's one though. This one.
Let me see one of these bucket ones, cause see these are gonna be a bigger brim. I like the short. You know what I mean? I don't want the weed. I don't want the weed on it. No.